People's fascination with roses is not a new thing. The cultivation of roses dates back as far as 5,000 years ago, and roses are still a mainstay of gardens, parks, and greenhouses to this day. Cut roses have become an iconic symbol of love and remembrance. At Northhaven Gardens, we dedicate a full weekend to these beauties as we simultaneously celebrate the arrival of spring with Rose Weekend. Our very first Rose Weekend was held in 1952. Each October, our founder, Ralph Pincus, and rosarian Ira Duncan would visit the legendary Tyler Rose Fields, where they would select the blossoms from different rose varieties and bring them back for customers to browse. After orders were placed in the fall, bare root canes were brought in, and the roses would be grown in-house over the winter in recycled food cans. Customers returned during Rose Weekend each March to pick up their rooted shrubs ready to plant. Although we don't put flowers on display any longer, today we continue the tradition of bringing in several thousand bare root roses each winter to grow out for the coming spring. Now you can pick your favorite roses from our Rose List, which is published up to a month in advance of Rose Weekend. This year's Rose Weekend features a bloom for everyone, with over 130 varieties to choose from. We are one of just a handful of Texas nurseries that feature fan favorite David Austin English roses. For more information and for the full Rose List, visit our store or head over to our website. We hope you join us this Rose Weekend to celebrate a wonderful Dallas tradition and one of our favorite flowers.